Welcome to Path to Arabic. My name is Samir, one of the co-founders of Path to Arabic. In this welcome video, I will walk you through the features of this website so you can start right away for free. For the duration of your studies, our program is designed to help you achieve your goal and learn Arabic. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use and navigate the system, and I'll explain the difference between Engage package for startup members and the Academy package for premium members. So let's dive right in and get started. After you sign in and have access to your portal, you will see 4 levels in front of you, from beginners to intermediate and advanced. Only the chosen level will be unlocked. You can always change your current level on the preference page if you find it difficult or too easy, but we highly recommend for you to stick with the chosen level, just so that you do not miss on any important lessons which will help you towards other levels. Just above the levels, you have a box for your profile picture, and we highly recommend to upload your photo so other students can see who you are, and it would create a better engagement with our community. To add your photo, simply click on the Edit button within the box to upload your photo. To get started with your studies, you have to click on a level that is unlocked. You will see all the lessons of that level on display, and only one lesson will be unlocked at a time. The idea is to keep our students focused on the current task before moving to the next one. We want to ensure to teach you in a step-by-step fashion. When you click on a lesson, you will see 3 buttons in succession: Video, Engage, and Unlock. As a starter member for Engage package, you will have access to the Engage software, studying and learning new vocabulary, grammar rules, and pronunciation following a native speaker. After the lesson is fully understood, you can then move on to the test. Once you pass the test, the next lesson will be unlocked. Engage software is a comprehensive and effective learning tool that can be used anywhere and on any mobile device, provided you have internet access. We also have the Path to Arabic TV feature. We have uploaded many Arabic films and documentaries, and we will continue to upload more videos that are interesting. The aim of this feature is for you to relax and watch Arabic films and documentaries. You might not understand everything or very little at early stages, but you will be improving your listening skills. Most importantly, you are picking up Arabic words and sentences unconsciously. We recommend for you to watch videos several times even if you don't understand it at first. The language will become clearer as you progress towards your learning. You can manage your account on the membership page. You can access all your bonuses on this page. The Premium Academy package includes all of Engage features plus a lot more added features. Just as Engage package, only the chosen level will be unlocked. The video button will be accessible this time, and you can watch the video lesson following your preferred teacher for the lesson, as we have 2 to choose from for every lesson. The same material is used, but the approach is different. You can watch both teachers if you wish to do so. Everything that is covered in Engage will be explained on a video lesson. The teachers will take you by the hand and break down the vocabulary, and especially grammar rules. Some people are perfectly fine learning on their own, and Engage alone would be perfectly sufficient, but others, like myself for example, needs further assistance, and Academy is the more adequate platform to fast-track their learning. In fact, it is a fast-track learning tool for anybody, so Engage students are very welcome to upgrade to the Premium Academy package. A certificate will be issued upon completion of each level to keep our students motivated. With Academy package, students get access to priority support from our teachers should they have any questions. Whether you're on Engage or Academy package, we are very honored to have you as part of our Path to Arabic community, and we wish you all the very best with your studies. And remember that our goal is to help you achieve your dream and learn Arabic. So if you ever have any questions or need any help, we are here for you, and so is our community. Have fun with your studies.